This is honestly blowing my mind. For discovering company-wide signals and reconstructing people's backgrounds, Ventify is starting to feel like a GI for this specific niche. In our experiments, we literally just input a company name, and it was able to surface things like a co-founder's secondary Twitter account. It even inferred PMF-type signals from tiny clues, like me casually mentioning a paid user in a single short video. Seriously, what do you even call this if not Aggie? I can't stay quiet about this.